In this video, you will learn how to use mobile time tracking, an add-on for Dynamics 365 project operations. Mobile time tracking is available as a mobile version and in the browser. This add-on extends the time tracking functionalities of Dynamics 365 project operations. Synchronization with the Microsoft Outlook calendar enables you to convert appointments into time entries. Work with your task list from the Microsoft app To Do directly in mobile time tracking. View all projects that you are involved in and directly create bookings from there. The app is compatible with the proMX add-on Time Tracking for Dynamics 365. The first thing you see upon opening the app is the My Day tab. It provides you with an overview of all the appointments you have in Outlook for the day. Invitations you haven't accepted are marked with a dotted line. To convert an appointment into a time entry, click on the blue button labeled Book. A new time entry form opens. Now, select the correct project and task from the drop-down menu. The rest is automatically transferred from Outlook. You also have the option to add a comment to your time entry. To save your new time record, click on the check mark in the upper right corner. To create a new time entry from scratch, navigate to the Time Entries tab and click on the blue button in the bottom right corner. Navigate to the My Work tab to see an overview of all your projects. With a click on the button labeled Book, you can save a time entry onto the corresponding project. To edit, submit, delete, or recall time entries, go back to the Time Entries tab. Different colors indicate the status of your time entries. At the bottom of the My Day tab, you can see an overview of your work, sorted by day and by status. Mobile time tracking is not only synchronized with Microsoft Outlook, but also with the Microsoft To Do app. You can see all tasks you have planned in To Do in mobile time tracking and mark them as done. Watch the other videos in this series to learn how to use proMX's add-ons for Microsoft Dynamics 365 and contact our experts if you have any questions.